Azure Active Directory is renamed to Entra ID, and let's see how to create user account in Microsoft Entra ID. This is the interface and this is the URL entra.microsoft.com. Log into this URL with your Azure account and then you would be able to see this interface here. So there are multiple options: identity protection, identity governance, verified ID, permission management, global secure access, and learn and support. This is the portal to secure and create policies for your identity and secure your environment. Let's click here and then use all users and then click on new user. There are two types of users: create new user, which is the internal user, and external user, which is the user account is located in the external world of your Azure tenant. It can be different organization Azure tenant, your Outlook account, Hotmail account, Gmail account, whatever. External user uses his account to log in into Azure portal. Let's suppose I have different subscription and with the user1@hotmail.com user account, I can invite that particular user to log in into the portal and do the activities on my Azure environment. Let's create the new user within our Azure tenant. So let's suppose I'm going to create user 2 and this is the domain. Currently domain is not there, means custom domain is not there. So I will select this domain only on microsoft.com. Mail nickname, I would select user 2. If you want to change it, you can select this option and then change it to let's suppose user 2 dot mail, and then display name user 2, then password. If you want to change the password, you can uncheck this option and you can type your own password. If you don't want to do that, you can just click on auto generated password, then you can click this option. Account enabled, if you want to set account that is enabled. If you want to disable it, you can just click on disable. Now this is helpful when your user is going to join in future and you want to create the user account now itself and then wants to enable the account whenever user joins the organization. You can use account disable option and then click on next, then first name, last name, and then user type. Now here is the thing you need to understand: the member and guest. Now this user account would be a member or can be a guest. Let's suppose your organization have certain employees, 100 employees, and those employees are on your payroll, and that's why you would select the member of the organization. And if you want your vendor's account to be created in your Azure tenant, then you can select guest account and you can give this guest account to your vendor's employee. So you can create guest account. And now I will select member here, the job title, whatever job title you want to give, then company name, department, employee ID. You can define those in the user account process. Users location, let's suppose your employee is from United States. You can just select United States here, United States, and it should show up here. Let's select the United States. This won't deny login from the other countries, just the user's location. Suppose I want to add some of the users in particular group from United States, then I would create one group and give the rule that users from United States should be in this group. So that's it. That is the uses of this user's location. So click on next. I currently don't want to give any role or add this user to any group. I'll just click on review and then click on create. The user account is successfully created. Just wait for some time to refresh here. Now I can see user 2 is coming up in my Microsoft Entra ID. From the properties, if you want to change some of the properties, go to properties and then click on edit properties. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks.